Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add borders in Excel. We'll show you two ways today. So let's say I want my borders here. So first of all, I can just select the data, and then click on the border option and click on all borders, and here I can find the borders. But if I write something here, I won't get the borders under the data. As you can see, it's only bordered till this cell. So what we'll do, we'll just select the whole range. Let's say we don't know where our range is or how much range we want. That's why we'll just select the whole um, select the entire worksheet and click on the conditional formatting option, click on manage rules and click on new rule, click on use a formula to determine which cells to format, and then click on the format values where this formula is true option and click on the first cell, and then click on the okay, now first we will have to delete the dollar option, and then we will just write greater than less than option and click on two inverted commas and click on the format option from here and click on the outline option, and here you can customize your borders and you can customize your colors. I'm not customizing any of them. I'm just giving it a simple line, and click on OK and just click on OK. Again click on OK. As you can see, the borders is applied here all over the um, cells. This is how you can do it. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching guys. Bye bye.